Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kitchen Khiladi. Another great episode is in store for you this week. This week, a lot of new things are happening. One, we have a theme which is not from any region. We are going across all borders with seafood. Seafood ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ തീം. ഇന്നത്തെ ജഡ്ജാണ് ഷേക്സ്പിയർ ആൻഡ് കമ്പനി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു വലിയ റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിൻ്റെ കോർപ്പറേറ്റ് ഷെഫ് ഷാർബിൽ ആണ് ഫ്രം ലെബനാൻ. And the participants are very diverse. I will let them speak about themselves. The participants, one is Praveen and one is Aparna. What they do, they will show you because they are here to cook. Okay? So I'm going to call both the participants here. But before that, Chef Sharbil should be here.
I am Sharbil Khashan, the Group Executive Chef for Shakespeare & Co. Since 2008, I started my field with the company. After coming back from Australia, I have been working there for Cipriani in Canberra and Sydney for 3 years. I was a corporate chef for one of the best Italian restaurants called Cipriani. Before that, I was the executive chef for Phoenicia Hotel Beirut Intercontinental. I worked there for six years and a few months. I studied in Poitiers, France. I have been here in Dubai for 8 years almost, doing Shakespeare. I am the group chef. Today I am here in Kitchen Khiladi. My task is to judge on the fish and seafood cuisine cooking competition. The fish and seafood is very important because I have high protein and it's a source of phosphate and iron. So to make and to compete and to prepare fish and seafood, it must be fresh as much as could be. Today I am judging and of course the level is like newcomers to this field. We will try to be soft with them, to guide them and to give them ideas and cooking techniques to enhance the competition for the next time.
Chef Sharbil, Tal Habibi. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Me and my family, we always go every week to Shakespeare and Company. They're
you.
everywhere.
We are happy to hear that. So
How many branches you have?
32 for the time being.
32 Shakespeare and Company for the time being.
Just in the Emirates, and we have 18 overseas as a franchise.
What about India?
Soon, very soon, we just signed contract.
So keep waiting till he opens one in India. Amazing restaurant.
one.
We'll call
Thank
the
you.
Praveen, please come here.
Hi, my name is Praveen. I am what you may call urban hermit. I'm into archery. I do a lot of extracurricular stuff. I like archery. I do biking. I'm very keen on biking. I'm not much of a social person. I'm kind of a recluse. Yeah, and I read and I write. I write a blog under a pseudonym. I also write for theNRI.com again under a pseudonym because I write kind of satires, social requirements and such satires. But in a kind of a humorous way, at least that's what I like to think. But yeah, and to make all this sustainable, I work in my family concern. We have a printing press. I work in sales and marketing. I supposedly heading the team. Yeah, it's great. I enjoy what I do, and I do only what I enjoy. That's kind of me.
Welcome to the show, Kitchen Khiladi.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Pleasure, chef.
And Aparna, please.
എൻ്റെ പേര് അപർണ രാജ്. ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം ഡിസ്ട്രിക്റ്റിലെ വർക്കലയാണ് എൻ്റെ നാട്. ഇവിടെ ദുബായിൽ വന്നിട്ട് 7 വർഷമായി. ഞാനൊരു IT പ്രൊഫഷണലാണ്. എൻ്റെ ഹസ്ബൻഡും IT പ്രൊഫഷണലാണ്. ഹസ്ബൻഡ് അശ്വൻ ഹരേന്ദ്രൻ. ഒരു 7 മാസമായി മോനുണ്ട്. പേര് ആദിത്യ അശ്വൻ. No matter who my opponent is, I'm sure I will win.
If you win, you'll become a chef also.
Thank you.
So, good luck to both of you. Chef Sharbil is the judge. One and only judge. I am just a moderator come host. Okay?
All right.
Your box, please open and see what is inside. Your time will begin once you announce what is inside the box. Oh, what is that?
It's
Dilly.
already deveined.
Lilies,
What
I
is
got coconut cream,
Coconut cream.
prawns,
basmati rice,
chili.
dill.
So you can
Dilsel.
cook dilsel.
Rice.
I know.
ബ്ലാക്ക് ബോക്സ് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം ഫുൾ ബ്ലാങ്ക് ആയിരുന്നു, ഒന്നും മനസ്സിലാകുന്നില്ലായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻസ് ആയിട്ട് അതിൽ റൈസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, പിന്നെ പ്രോൺസ്, പിന്നെ റെഡ് ചില്ലീസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, പിന്നെ ദിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
What is the main
I don't know.
item you have here?
Prawns,
Good. And rice.
rice, yeah.
Those prawns are ready to cook, cleaned
Okay.
and done. You can straight away use.
Sure.
പ്രോൺസ് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ഹാപ്പി ആയിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ കോക്കനട്ട് മിൽക്കും കണ്ടപ്പോൾ, കാരണം നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ കേരള ഡിഷിൽ മെയിനായിട്ട് കോക്കനട്ട് ഒരു ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻ്റ് ആണല്ലോ. അപ്പം ആദ്യം എനിക്ക് ഒരു കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി ബ്ലാങ്ക് ആയിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ എനിക്ക് കുഴപ്പമില്ലാതായി. പിന്നെ റൈസ് ഓഫ് കോഴ്സ് നമ്മുടെ ഫേവറേറ്റ് വൺ. സോ ഈസി ആയിരുന്നു റെസിപ്പി.
Okay?
Yeah.
She looks happy.
What is your main,
Yeah, very
main
happy,
item
huh?
here?
Yeah.
I've got
The main one?
Eating you are a
the
professional.
prawns. So when I opened the black box, I mean the ingredients there was prawns, dill, coconut cream. I'm missing red chili. Loved it because it was first thing which I thought was like, let me go for Thai cooking. And then I realized I do not know Thai cooking. So but it's got prawn. I'm a Mallu. I don't eat non-veg, but I prepare it. I thought like I can go with it. So it was exciting. Yeah.
Chef, sir.
It's already deveined.
Clean,
It's
ready
clean,
to go.
ready to go.
Yes.
You got coconut
I
milk.
think I can make it.
Home Bay gives you a ladle for
you.
luck, lady luck. Home Bay, use Home Bay, your home will be nice. Okay? Today, Kitchen Khiladi wishes you all the best, and chef, please ring the bell. And your time starts now. Yes, go. So, what we'll do is chef, we will go and take some rest there.
Yep.
Let them cook
And we watch them for.
from there.
Yes.
ചെറിയൊരു ടെൻഷനുണ്ട്.
Thailand cuisine.
Olive oil.
I like that.
Behind, there is a pantry.
Okay.
കുക്കിംഗ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ നേരത്തെ ആദ്യം ഭയങ്കര ടെൻഷനായിരുന്നു. സാധനങ്ങൾ എവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് അറിയത്തില്ലായിരുന്നു. സോ അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യം ഒരു കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ ബാക്കിൽ എല്ലാം എന്താ പറയുന്നത് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ എൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന പ്രവീൺ ചേട്ടൻ സോ ഹെൽപ്ഫുൾ ആയിരുന്നു.
Totally confusing black box ingredients. But both of them look very happy. I want to see if they are happy after 10 minutes.
Yes. This lady use olive oil. I don't think there's olive oil in Thailand.
No? They may be in the shop, but I don't
Maybe
think they use in the
yeah.
food.
Maybe they have to use sesame oil.
Yeah. I
That's
don't know.
fine.
I don't know whether what shape they're making. Maybe fusion food.
Yeah, exactly.
Sometimes confusion.
Healthy.
നല്ല ടെൻഷനുണ്ട്.
Cooking it.
30 മിനിറ്റ്സിൽ തീർക്കണം. ഞാനൊരു പ്രോൺസ് 2 ആണ് ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്.
Is I want to make some rice and cook the prawns in coconut milk and make something else out. You know, let's see how this turns out. I think I'll go in for something because you got coconut milk. I think I'll go in for something Thai type because you got all the ingredients. So something very simple but flavorsome.
Cumin seeds, rosemary.
Five minutes gone.
Oh my god.
Still early.
If I'm having some trouble opening the fire out here, can
Yeah.
is it?
Okay. We'll go there if you want some help. Only no cooking, okay?
Yep. On the back burner.
And the gas burner.
I had a lot of trouble owning the gas. That's why it like kept going off. I had to take a lot of help, but I think we had enough time, so it didn't really matter. It was an excellent setup. It was very easy. well stocked actually.
Praveen,
Yes,
എന്തോ
sir.
എടുക്കുവാ?
Ah!
മലയാളം അറിയാമോ?
Pede.
What are you going to make actually? What is the menu?
I'm just making a prawn curry with coconut cream.
Prawn curry with coconut.
Smell nice,
Yeah.
smell now.
And
you.
plain white rice.
Amazing smells. വീട്ടിൽ എന്നും കുക്ക് ചെയ്യോ?
Illa, Friday.
Friday is the cooking day.
Yeah, I'm a Friday cook.
Friday cook. You are a biker?
Yes, I am.
എന്ത് ബൈക്കാണ് ഓടിക്കുന്ന നാട്ടിൽ?
I've got a Desert Storm.
Bullet.
Bullet, yeah.
Enfield.
Enfield, yes.
A biker. ജിഞ്ചർ ഗാർലിക് എണ്ണയിലിട്ട് ഒഴിച്ചല്ലേ?
Yeah. I think Jin.
Well, it was wet, that's why.
Yeah, because there was some water inside.
Yeah, okay.
Ginger garlic.
Next time.
പ്രോൺസിന് എന്താ ചെയ്യുമ്പോ പ്രോൺസ് വെറുതെ ഇരിക്കുകയാണല്ലോ 10 മിനിറ്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞു ഓൺലി 20 minutes left 10 minutes are over by the way.
Got it, sir.
ഷെഫ് പറഞ്ഞിന് 20 മിനിറ്റ്സേ ഉള്ളൂ എന്ന്. അറിയില്ല എനിക്ക് തീർക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ എന്നുള്ളത്. എന്തായാലും പെട്ടെന്ന് തീർക്കണം. മാക്സിമം ഞാൻ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാണ്.
I'm right now കുറച്ച് നേരമായി prawns വെളി വെച്ചിട്ട്, so I'm just putting it in turmeric and salt just to be on the safe side.
Because Praveen helped Aparna, I just saw him mixing something and both of them look like they know the job. What do you think?
Yeah, exactly. They surprised me. They have a skill.
Sorry.
And they start by the difficult items, and the items
turmeric
take
powder?
time. Like
Turmeric.
garlic. And after they start by shrimp,
Chili?
which is good.
Chili powder
I am
also.
impressed,
Okay,
to be
thank
honest
you.
with
Very good.
Put full of it.
Yeah, this big kitchen, you know, commercial kitchen, everything is big.
I'm just adding the coconut milk,
We adding coconut cream and
my mallu.
You mix it with what?
Mallu is
coconut cream.
Yeah, I put onion. No, put onion.
Yeah, onion and turmeric. He make curry. Yeah, he's from South
Curry.
curry. Indian curry. He make with the prawns. I don't know. I'm wondering what they will be using the dill leaves.
This dill exists in India?
Yeah, it's existing in India, but in Indian cuisine, not.
Exactly, that's what
I see in Iranian, I see in Turkish,
French.
in French, for fish and for rice in Iran, and Lebanese.
Yeah, Middle East,
Mediterranean,
they use it.
yeah.
Mediterranean, they use this. And they make a reduction with the cream to give taste. You can smell it from here.
I can smell from here, but I think we should go there and smell. Come. Oh la la!
Wow,
Nice, not bad at all. Oh, not bad at all, Amarna.
tough competition.
Yeah, really tough competition.
Tough close.
And both of them are looking like they're making same thing, yeah?
Oh, okay.
Can I open and see? Please. Wow. What about your rice? Take care of it, lady.
Okay.
Chef, you in Shakespeare and Company, do you use red chilies? No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We use it, we mix it with onion, olive oil, and I use it to marinate pineapple. I have salad, pineapple salad, salmon, smoked salmon, pineapple salad. I use it for like 4 dishes. It's common base for a few dishes.
Very nice.
Yeah.
What about dill? Have you used dill?
I'm using it as a garnish.
Garnish.
Yeah.
The
I know.
ingredients to be cooked.
That's
Oh,
it.
okay.
You have to cook it. Are you not cooking your prawns too long? I don't know.
No.
I know, my teacher
Fine
told
now,
me.
yeah.
Take
It's,
only
I
2
think
minutes
it's
to
fine.
cook.
It's fine.
Are you tasting everything you cook?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want lemon?
Lemon zest.
Zester. Yeah. Only 4 minutes to go. The twister will come to an end. Only 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes കൊണ്ട് ഈ കളി അവസാനിക്കും. Abam, who will win? Lady in red or the man in black t-shirt? You keep watching. We are going to watch from there. You watch from there. Only on Media One Girl. Yeah, but doesn't matter. Today there is no Indian, Arabic, no Italian. But it is seafood.
Maybe in my next life I will born in India. Nobody knows.
I will be in Lebanon.
Yeah. So it's Swiss.
I like Lebanese too much. 1.5 minutes to go. Four, 3, 2, 1. Stop it. Okay. Mabruk.
Let's see.
Oh my god.
Fantastic, fantastic. Both of them became friends also on the show. Very nice. Kitchen Khiladi sometimes makes enemies, sometimes makes friends.
Yeah,
But after the
that's right.
result, I want to see how their friendship remains after the results are announced. Come, let's go and see them.
Very nice.
നേരത്തെ ഞാൻ ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്തു ഒരു 2 minutes മുമ്പ് ഞാൻ ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു ബട്ട് അറേഞ്ച്മെൻറ്റ്സ് എങ്ങനെ ഡിഷ് ഞാനത് പ്രസൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യണോ എന്നുള്ള എനിക്കൊരു ടെൻഷൻ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു എങ്ങനെ പ്രസൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യണോ എന്നുള്ളത് പക്ഷെ കുഴപ്പമില്ലായിരുന്നു എല്ലാം പെട്ടെന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞു അതുപോലെ ഷെഫ് ആൻഡും ഭയങ്കര ഹെൽപ്ഫുൾ ആയിരുന്നു
Enough. Taste also same.
I was nervous. I was extremely, I mean, not extremely, but I think I was a little nervous. Had a little shakes in the middle, but yeah, but otherwise it was great. I mean, no bad experience at all. I kept dropping things, I think. Yeah, but I'm clumsy. I'm very clumsy. I didn't experiment much. I mean, later on the chef actually told me because it was, I kept the rice very simple. Chef advised me when you're doing a show like this, I could have flavored it. So I chose a very easy cooking.
Chef Sarmel, what do you think? What is the comment when you see them both?
They did a great job. They have skill technique. Little bit of some mistakes, but I'm not going to count it. In both dishes.
Show me one plate.
Here, like the coconut milk is overcooked. but looks delicious. Here the shrimp is overcooked. Almost.
Coconut milk is overcooked and shrimp is overcooked, but almost identical cooking, but looking different.
Yes, nice
So-
color contrast.
Hold your plates. You have to bring it there. We are going to go there. You can bring it there, and we are going to taste. But he will judge.
Chef Shawal is a very friendly man. He was full of advices. In fact, after the event, after the cooking, he advised me, gave me quite a lot of advice, tips rather, on the proper way of cooking prawn. Now, being a Malayalam, when we cook prawn, we kill it. we cook it really well. So even frying prawns, we cook it really well. So for us, we are kind of used to that. So I guess I got caught up in that, and he was advising me how to actually cook this, and I think that was excellent. Excellent. You really do not know the flavors that it can capture because you're eating something, and it tastes good to you, but it could taste a lot better if you actually cook it the right way. The flavor of the meat probably will be much better.
The time has come to announce the winner, but before I announce it, chef has to judge by tasting. Let's call Aparna first. Aparna? Thank you. Good job. 30 minutes. Amazing dish by amateur. Very good. And Praveen, I'll take your plate and leave it here. Chef,
Thank you. Excellent job.
God bless you both.
Thank you.
But only one will. What is the dish that you have made? Name.
It's a prawn stew.
Prawn stew.
Yeah.
Stew. Okay. You have used all the ingredients in the black box.
Yes.
Okay. Have you used red chilies?
Yes, it's there.
Is there?
Yeah.
Dill leaves?
Dill leaves is there.
Coconut cream?
Yes.
Prawns?
Yes.
Rice?
Yes.
Okay. That is about all the things in the black box. Chef, how you feel? You don't have to announce the winner, but you just tell your comments.
It's good. As I said, the shrimp is overcooked.
Shrimp is overcooked.
Sauce is tasty. Little bit chili. It's fine for me.
Okay.
I'm not Indian, but it's fine.
Okay.
Now I'll test the rice separate because I like the way how you cook.
Okay.
You put anise seeds. I like this way.
How's the rice? Okay.
Okay, need a little bit of salt.
Salt.
Little bit.
Now the time to taste the second contestant, Praveen, the biker in shorts. We'll see whether he gets shorted or not. He made plain rice, and what did you make?
I made prawn in coconut milk.
Prawn.
Very basic, very simple. I wanted to keep it.
You want to name it that way? Prawn in coconut milk?
No, I would prefer to call it a Thai preparation, but I think I added a little bit of Indian spices.
Decide. You're confusing us.
Sorry,
Give me one name that you will name this dish.
prawns in coconut milk.
Sauce is good. It's light, but need more seasoning.
Okay.
Rice, no flavor. It's good to play with it. To put some seasoning, maybe herbs, maybe any spices, stuff like that.
Alright.
This shrimps as well is overcooked.
Okay.
Usually shrimps need few seconds.
Yeah.
Especially this fish is if it's coming frozen, it needs less than the fresh one. So a few seconds or 2 minutes maximum, not overcooked. Your sauce is good, but you can play with it with more flavors.
Okay.
And don't ever never cook too much cream. If you cook it too much cream, it's become split. As you see, there's bubble inside. But overall, it's good.
Thank you.
Thank
chef.
you.
Thank you. Chef.
I like
job.
both the dishes. I don't know. I'm not the guy responsible for choosing. Like chef said, prawns, both of them have cooked slightly,
Yeah.
little too much well done. So when you well done in steak, it is fine, maybe. But this is prawns, okay? So I don't know how well done it
Some
is.
people eat it raw, like Japanese, like sushi, sashimi.
Okay.
So we have to take this into consideration a little bit.
Cook it as little as possible.
Yeah, slow, less gentle. That's it.
Chef.
We will not be gentle, the chef will not be gentle because we have taken only one person. The show is nothing about gentleness, this is about taste only. Kitchen Khiladi will be announcing the winner right now. But before you, take a small break.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, chef.
Thank
you.
It's been a pleasure.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Stay
chef.
outside. Stay outside for 1 second. We'll call you.
Thank
We'll
you.
call you right now. God bless. Kitchen Khiladi, this episode is going to come to a superb end. Superb because it was easy. No, it was easy for me. It was very tough for him. Both were tasting amazingly good. Chef,
Yes.
let's call them.
Yeah, please.
Aparna. Hi. Still smiling. Praveen. Still smiling. Who will keep the smile on their face? We will see right now. Chef, please go ahead and do the honors of lifting and showing who is the winner of today's Kitchen Khiladi.
Who was the winner? The result was so close. The test was so close and good. But at the end of the day, there's one winner.
I got the heart.
Okay, so Aparna is the winner.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank
Aparna.
you.
Good job. Praveen,
Congratulations.
nice job. Very tasty job.
Thank you very much.
Aparna is the winner. So winner's plate has, what does winner do to deserve this prize?
Simply has more flavoring and seasoning. That's what resemble to Asian or Italian food. It's
Okay.
very good. Thank you.
Okay. So both of them had enough cooking done one for 1 day. Give them 1 voucher each to have dinner today. Don't cook at home. Go to Calicut Notebook Restaurant and have some fusion food.
Congratulations. God bless you. God bless
And
you. Congratulations.
Aparna Rajendran gets the winner's certificate from McQueen's College here. And Praveen Ramachandran gets the runners-up
Thank you
for
very
Kitchen
much.
Khiladi.
Thank you.
Don't forget to call me for Shakespeare.
Definitely. I will.
That's the promise Chef Sarbal is making because Chef Sarbal is going to give him a chance to cook in Shakespeare and Company.
Yeah, because
Now.
you surprised me. Really.
Great experience. I mean, I would say amazing. I always wanted to try something like this. How you look, in a industrial kitchen in front of a camera, how it actually gets done. I've been interested in cookery shows. Always figured it was a lot way different than this, but you guys made it look. Kitchen Khiladi is pretty good. It's pretty neat.
Oh, that's a heavy one. This is a 38-piece home-made opal ware for the winner. This is.
Are you ready to
Cook
catch
your
it?
dinner and
Thank
make
you.
it special on this
Oh my God.
home-made opal-ware dinner set.
ആദ്യം വന്നപ്പോൾ ടെൻഷൻ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു എങ്ങനെയാണ് എന്നുള്ളത്. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ വന്നപ്പോഴാണ് മനസ്സിലായത് എല്ലാം ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ആണ്, നല്ലൊരു എൻവയോൺമെൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഒരു ഫണ്ണായിരുന്നു ആ ഒരു കിച്ചൺ കിലാടി എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ആ പ്രോഗ്രാം.
Okay, they are helping each other in the
Yeah.
show and after the show also. This is home-made ceramic wok pan with lid for the non-winner, but who won arts. This is for you.
To try. Thank you. Thank you.
Is that
Thank
leave
you.
that here? So they have become friends. This week's Kitchen Khiladi has come to an end. Keep watching us every week.
Every week, keep watching Khiladi.
Kitchen Khiladi.